This is Automotive Repair News Today, a quick 10-minute podcast covering the top stories from around the automotive repair industry. I'm Braxton Critcher. Let's get to today's headlines. Sam Meineke, founder of the Meineke brand, has passed away at the age of 93. Growing up in a sharecropping family, he launched his first service station in 1951 at age 21. And in 1971, he opened the first Meineke Discount Mufflers location. Now the brand has more than 900 open storefronts. Sam Meineke will be missed. The Auto Care Association is criticizing proposed tariffs from the incoming Trump administration, warning that they could raise consumer costs and strain businesses. The administration has threatened tariffs of up to 100% on imports from countries like China, Brazil, and South Africa, and 25% on goods from Mexico and Canada. These two countries make up a majority of the U.S.'s auto parts imports and exports. The Auto Care Association argues that such tariffs could disrupt vital supply chains, increase repair costs, and hurt small businesses, potentially forcing them to scale back operations or delay payments. We'll keep you posted on this. Nominations are now open for the first ever AACF Humanitarian Award. This prestigious honor celebrates individuals, companies, or groups in the automotive aftermarket industry who make outstanding humanitarian contributions to their companies. You can submit nominations through January 31st of 2025. Winners will be recognized at the Auto Care Association's Connect event in Phoenix in May of next year. A recent study from 360 Insights reveals that automotive manufacturer support programs are falling short for independent repair shops. Surveying over 200 industry professionals, the report found that while 82% of dealers view loyalty programs as effective, nearly half say they have little impact. Key barriers include a lack of awareness and difficulty using programs, with 57% of respondents highlighted the need for clear communication. Additionally, 75% of dealers cited that talent retention is a major challenge, yet only 31% are enrolled in a training program. While shop owners prioritize profit growth and customer satisfaction, current manufacturer programs focus more on volume metrics rather than supporting shops' profitability. Furthermore, 60% of shops said that finding and retaining skilled labor is their primary issue, with just 24% receiving comprehensive technical training support from manufacturers. The National Institute for Automotive Service Excellence urges automotive technicians to update their certifications and account info before the new year. Accurate emails, mailing addresses, and phone numbers ensure access to resources, notifications, and updated credentials. ASE offers in-person, online, and app-based testing for certification and recertification. Stay current and prepared, and contact ASE for assistance. An auto repair shop in Honolulu is recovering from a catastrophic explosion that severely damaged a Jeep Wrangler. The fire, caused by a malfunctioning jump pack, destroyed equipment and left technicians cleaning up the mess instead of working on cars. Starkley's Auto Repair, already struggling with disruptions from a nearby road construction, has received $100,000 in insurance support, though owner John Starkey faces potential liability if negligence is determined. The NASTF Fall General Meeting is now available for viewing on the NASTF website for members. You can watch the full video or select individual sessions, all accessible through the meeting section of the website. To view the recording, simply log on to your NASTF account. Click the link below to access the page directly. New light vehicle sales surged in November, hitting a seasonably adjusted annual rate of 6.5 million units, the highest since May of 2021. According to Ward's Intelligence, November's raw sales volume reached 1.36 million units, up 10.1% year over year. The extra selling weekend this year contributed to the growth. NADA projects that 2024 sales are going to exceed its forecast of 15.7 million units if this momentum continues the rest of the year. Inventory levels expected to remain near 3 million units through 2025. Dealerships offering mobile service are reclaiming 92% of lost customers, according to Kirby, which helps dealers implement this innovative solution. Service and parts drive dealer profits, but retaining customers becomes harder as vehicles age and warranties expire. With the average U.S. vehicle now over 12.5 years old, mobile services offer a key opportunity for dealerships to boost revenue and compete with independent repair shops. A Missouri National Guard member and his family received a life-changing gift through the NABC Recycled Rides program. Corporal Brandon Sides, a married father of 3 and member of the 3175th Military Police Company, was presented with a refurbished 2020 Ford Fusion SEL by the National Auto Body Council, Allstate, and Schaefer Auto Body in O'Fallon, Illinois. After losing their vehicle in an accident, financial challenges made replacing it impossible. The NABC Recycled Rides program has donated over 3,300 vehicles since 2007, helping families in need nationwide. Hot Shots Secret introduces 2 new extreme pressure greases, 7460 and 7150, designed for automotive and heavy-duty equipment under extreme conditions. With a 400 kg weld load and a temperature range from 16 degrees Fahrenheit to 608 degrees Fahrenheit, these greases offer superior wear protection, rust resistance, and long-lasting performance. Crash Champions Collision Repair Team has donated $200,000 to collision engineering, addressing the industry's technician shortage. The record-setting contribution was announced at Crash Champions' 11th annual charity golf outing at Monarch Beach Golf Links in California. Founded by Enterprise Mobility Foundation and Rankin Technical College, the collision engineering develops skilled professionals for safe vehicle repairs. This donation highlights industry-wide efforts to support the next generation of collision repair experts. Bosch will receive up to $225 million in U.S. subsidies to produce silicon carbide semiconductors in California, supporting a $1.9 billion expansion of its Roseville facility. Funded by the $52.7 billion CHIPS Act, the project aims to boost electric vehicle efficiency and U.S. semiconductor production. Bosch plans to produce its first SiC chips on its 200mm wafers by 2026, potentially supplying over 40% of U.S. SiC capacity. AAA and Napa Autotech have launched a new automotive apprenticeship program to train the next generation of automotive repair professionals. Available to AAA-approved auto repair facilities, the 18 to 24-month program combines hands-on experiences with over 400 Napa Autotech e-learning resources. Apprentices can earn ASE certifications and access professional tools to jumpstart their careers. This initiative aligns with a growing trend in apprenticeships, with active participants up 22% over the last decade. Visit AAA's website for details or click the show notes link. All right, that does it for this week's episode of Automotive Repair News Today, keeping you informed and helping the industry grow all at the same time. If you know of a guest that I need to interview or of news that I need to share, I'd love to hear about it when you reach out through email. Braxton@automotiverepairnews.com. That's Braxton at automotiverepairnews.com. Merry Christmas, and thanks for listening. Hey, if you're still here, thank you so much for listening to this episode of Automotive Repair News Today. If you enjoyed the show, please take a moment, like, share, subscribe to the podcast. That'll help us out a big deal and help grow the show. And you know what? While you're at it, slap on a review too if you feel like this content is helpful for the industry. Don't forget to follow us on all your favorite social media platforms. We're on Facebook, TikTok, YouTube, Twitter, Instagram, LinkedIn. Stay connected and be the first to know about new episodes, behind-the-scene content, and more. And until next time, let's make the industry better together.